Are you tired of not being able to camp in the summer because you just get hot and sweaty and miserable and can't stand it? Well, maybe this video will show you a solution so you can get air conditioning in your rooftop tent or ground tent. Let's get started. So the air conditioner we're going to be using is this old stand-up unit that I have in the house, or in the garage. You can see where I tried to make it work previously last summer by just ducting to the tent. It didn't really work because this type of unit needs to be within the same cooled space, so it would freeze over by the time the next morning would come around. So what we're going to do is mount this bracket to the trailer. And then with using this piece of hardware from Lowe's, it should hold this air conditioner upright. And then we can close up the window around it. All right, with the side view of this air conditioner, you can see that this portion will be, actually it'll sit like this. So this bracket will be up against the trailer, connected to the rack, and should hold it in nicely like that. We just got to use these U-bolts to attach it to the rack and do some test fitting, and I think it'll work out pretty well. So these U-bolts are a little long, so because they'll be attaching through here to hold it onto the rack. So we're going to cut them down a little bit so it's flush and doesn't dig into the air conditioner. All right, now for a little quick test fit. All right, this one's all mocked up. Now we just got to do the second one. All right, now that we got both the brackets mounted up, let's get a test fit with the air conditioner. All right, as you can see, sits on here pretty well. I'll probably do some sort of strapping mechanism over the top, but it blow directly in the tent. I'll probably take this ducting off because it's no longer needed for this application. But yeah, I think it's going to work out nicely. It's pretty sturdy. All right, while we're testing out the air conditioner in the tent, it's running right now. So what I did, instead of using a tarp that just looks bad, I used a old 23-0 rain fly that I have to make it look a little better. Not perfect, but a lot better than a tarp. That was my short video of making this air conditioner mountable to my overland trailer for my rooftop tent to have AC in the summer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.